In this video, I will show you 4 easy steps on how I'm making money with affiliate marketing on TikTok and how you can do the same. And at the end of this video, I have a really cool bonus for you. So make sure to watch the full video till the end. The first step is you need to find a good affiliate product to promote. So there are basically 3 main evergreen niches, which is health, wealth and relationship. So why these 3 niches are evergreen? Because you will always find a good affiliate product to promote inside these 3 niche. So right now, if you don't have any product to promote, then I highly recommend you to choose a product inside these 3 niches. And you can also choose a product from different marketplaces such as ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus and Commission Junction. So there are different marketplaces that you can use to choose a product to promote. And you need to promote a product that can solve the specific problem for your audience. So don't just sell any creepy product to make more money. You need to sell the product that can actually solve the specific problem for your audience. Because if you are selling any crappy product, then your audience will never trust you. And if they will never trust you, then definitely they will not purchase anything from you. So you need to promote a product that can actually solve the specific problem for your audience. And if you are a new affiliate marketer, then I recommend you to start with only one product. Don't promote more than one product at a time. So you need to start with one good product and build your funnel and email automation according to that product. And if you want to promote lots of products, then you can promote the product at the back end, but not in the front end. You just need to focus on promoting one product in the front end. And if you want to find a product to promote, then go to the social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and see what other affiliate marketers are promoting. And if you found one product that lots of affiliate marketers are promoting in one niche, then you need to find this product. Don't worry about competition because you are unique and you will promote the product at the unique angle. So don't worry about competition. Just promote the product that lots of other affiliates are promoting because that product is already converting. That's why lots of affiliates are promoting that product. If I talk about myself, right now I'm in a wealth niche. And inside the wealth niche, I'm in a make money online niche. And inside the make money online niche, I'm in affiliate marketing niche. And I'm specially doing high ticket affiliate marketing. And right now I'm promoting a course that teaches people how they can be a high ticket affiliate marketer. So right now I'm promoting the product called a legendary marketer. If you don't know what legendary marketer is, then legendary marketer gives people a great online marketing education and show them how they can become a freelance digital marketer or affiliate marketer. So basically, legendary marketer teach people affiliate marketing. So I choose to promote legendary marketer because I see that lots of people inside the affiliate marketing niche, they are promoting legendary marketer and lots of beginners are also making money with legendary marketer. That's why I started promoting legendary marketer. And if you are also a beginner and you don't have any good product to promote, then I highly recommend you to start with legendary marketer because of these two reasons. First is legendary marketer gives people a great affiliate marketing education. So if you will start with legendary marketer, then you will get a great affiliate marketing education. And the second thing is, if you want to promote legendary marketer as an affiliate, then legendary marketer have a great affiliate program that will allow you to earn high ticket commissions without selling any high ticket product by yourself, because they have a great value ladder as well as a great sales team that will sell the product to your audience. And if someone decide to purchase, then you will get a commission. So you can earn up to $1,000 per sale without promoting any high ticket product by yourself. That's why legendary marketer is the best place to start. And they have a 15-day business builder challenge. So inside that challenge, they will teach you how you can start your affiliate marketing business in just 15 days with step-by-step video instructions. You can see this is the dashboard of the 15-day challenge, and I have a day 1 to day 15 and all the days are unlocked because I already completed this challenge. And the cool thing about this challenge is you will get your personal one-on-one business plan advisor that will help you to build your customized business plan. So you need to book the Zoom meeting with your advisor once you start this challenge. So you will also get a one-on-one support from legendary marketer. So if you are a beginner, then I highly recommend you to start with legendary marketer 15-day business builder challenge. If you want to learn more about this challenge, then check the link in the description below. And right now, if you are promoting different product, then no worries, because the method which I am going to show you in this video will work on any product. Now in step 2, I will show you how you can promote affiliate product on TikTok for free. So right now, TikTok is a massive opportunity to get thousands and even millions of views on your videos. So I will show you 4 easy steps to grow on TikTok. So the first step is you need to find 10 people on the same niche that you are in and follow them. So suppose you are in affiliate marketing niche, then you need to find at least 10 people inside that niche and just follow them. And the second thing is you need to find their 10 to 20 top performing pieces of content. So just go inside their account and see that which videos got thousands and even millions of views. You need to find at least 10 to 20 top performing pieces of videos inside that account. And then you need to recreate those videos. So don't copy word by word. Just model that content and add your own twist on it. And you can also focus on their hook, story and offer that I will show you later in this video. And the fourth and most important step is you need to repeat these steps over and over again, because if you are not consistent, then you will never grow on TikTok. So you must need to be consistent on TikTok. So now I will show you my actual TikTok account and show you that which framework I am using to create all of my TikTok videos. So you can see here, this is my TikTok account, and you can see I post a lots of videos on TikTok. So if you want to grow on TikTok, then you must need to consistently post a lots of video inside TikTok. And now I will show you one of my TikTok video as an example and show you that which framework I'm using to create all of my TikTok videos. So as I told you before, right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer, and Legendary Marketer teaches people affiliate marketing. So I know that my audience is interested in affiliate marketing, or they want to make money online, or they want to start some type of side hustle. So that's why I create this type of video to attract those kind of people inside my business. So now you will watch one of my TikTok video, and then I will explain that which framework I'm using to create all of my TikTok videos. So you already watched my TikTok video, and now I will show you which framework I am using to create the TikTok video. So you can see here, I use a hook, story and offer framework. So at the beginning of this video, I created the hook that 5 reasons to start affiliate marketing today. Because I told you before that right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer, and Legendary Marketer teaches people affiliate marketing. So that's why I created this hook that 5 reasons to start affiliate marketing today. Because I know that my audience is interested in affiliate marketing. And the hook is very important. So the first 3 seconds of your TikTok video is very important, and you can grab your audience attention in the first 3 seconds, then your audience will probably watch the entire video. So that is why I created this hook. And then in a story, I told people that the first reason is be your own boss. Second one is earn passive income. Third one is work from home. Fourth one is time and location freedom. And fifth one is spend time with your loved ones. So in a story, I justify the hook that this is the 5 reasons for that you need to start affiliate marketing today. Because I know that my audience wants to work from home and my audience wants to earn passive income. So that's why I created this story. And at the end of this video, you can also call it offer or call to action. I told people that if you want my free affiliate marketing case study, then click the link in my bio. Because I know that if my audience is interested in affiliate marketing, then they are also interested in getting my free affiliate marketing case study that will teach them how to do affiliate marketing the right way. So that's why I created this call to action that if you want my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in my bio. So this is the exact framework that I'm using to create all of my TikTok videos. And if you also want to create videos on TikTok, then you need to use this same framework. So suppose you are in a different niche. Suppose you are in a health niche, and right now you are promoting a product that can help your audience to lose their weight. So you need to create the hook according to that product. But keep in mind that you need to use hook, story and offer framework in all of your TikTok videos. So now in a step 3, I will show you how you can create a bridge based funnel to build your email list. So as I showed you before, right now I'm creating a content on TikTok to drive traffic for free. And all of my TikTok videos, at the end, I give people call to action that if you want to get my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in my bio. So once someone click the link in my bio on TikTok, then they go to this page. So this is the first page of my funnel, which is also called the landing page. And the main purpose of this page is to capture people's email address who visit this page. So once someone come to this page and give me the name and email address, then they go to this page. So this is the second page of my funnel, which is also called the bridge page. And here I have one video that talk about the product that I'm promoting. And inside this video, I give people call to action that if you want to learn more about Legendary Marketer, which is the product that I'm promoting, then click the button. And once someone click this button, then they directly go to the sales page of Legendary Marketer. And once they purchase, I will get a commission. And on my landing page, I already captured the name and email address, so I can follow up with them with email automation and promote Legendary Marketer over and over again. So eventually in future, they will purchase Legendary Marketer and I will get a commission. So now I will show you my actual funnel so you can easily understand. So this is my TikTok account, and here I have a bio link. And if someone click here, then they go to this page. So this is the landing page that I showed you before. And here I write free affiliate marketing case study reveals our entire affiliate marketing business that allowed us to earn commissions while we are sleeping, without any experience creating products, carrying inventory or dealing with customers. So if someone are interested in getting my free affiliate marketing case study, then they will definitely click here. Then here I write enter your best email below to receive the free case study. And once they enter their name and email address and click here, then they go to this page. So this is the bridge page, and here I have one video. Inside this video, at the beginning, I told people that how they can get access of my free affiliate marketing case study, and later in this video I talk about legendary marketer, and I told people that how legendary marketer will help you to make money online as an affiliate marketer or freelance digital marketer. And if you want to learn more about legendary marketer, then click here in this button. And if someone click here, then they directly go to the sales page of legendary marketer. So in this page, I have a one free presentation from the creator of legendary marketer, Dave Sharp. And inside this presentation, he will explain everything that the person will get inside the 15-day business builder challenge. And if my audience wants to start the 15-day business builder challenge, then they click here. And once they click here, then they directly go to the checkout page of legendary marketer. And once they purchase a challenge, then I will get a commission. And if you are a beginner affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to start with this 15-day challenge, because in this 15-day challenge, you will learn everything about affiliate marketing, and you will learn how you can start your affiliate marketing business in just 15 days. So you can see here in a day 3, the creator of legendary marketer Dave Sharp will show you how to build a business in under 30 minutes. In under literally 30 minutes. So they will show you step by step that how you can build your entire affiliate marketing business in just 30 days. So if you want to learn more about 15-day business builder challenge, then click the link in the description below. And in my landing page, I already capture people's name and email address, so I can follow up with them with email automation and promote legendary marketer over and over again. So definitely in the future, they will purchase legendary marketer 15-day business builder challenge, and I will get a commission. And if you are a beginner affiliate marketer, then I will allow you to clone my entire affiliate marketing business. So you can one click import my entire funnel. You can see this is the landing page. So you can one click import my entire landing page, my entire bridge page, and I will also give you the script that you need to tell inside this video. So you can clone my entire funnel, my entire bridge page, as well as my entire email automation sequence that I will show you later in this video. So if you want to clone my entire affiliate marketing business, then check the link in the description below. Now in step 4, I will show you how you can create email automation to follow up with your leads. So your email is the most important asset of your online business, because you own your email list. Suppose you create a content on TikTok, but what if TikTok will ban your account in future? You will lose everything. But if you have an email list, then no one will take the email list from you. An email list is like printing money. So money is in the list. That means if you have more emails is equals to you can earn more income. And the most important reason to build an email list is to build a strong relationship with your audience. So you need to build a strong relationship with your audience, because if your audience will not trust you, then they will never purchase anything from you. So first you need to focus about getting the trust of your audience. And on average, one email subscriber is equals to at least $1 to $3 every single month. That means if you have 100 people email address, then you can earn at least $100 per month. If you have a 10,000 people inside your email list, then you can earn at least $10,000 per month. So this is the power of email list. And the main purpose of your email automation is to solve people's objection, provide them additional trainings, and show them other people's social proof. Because if you are promoting any product but your audience have a confusion that the product will definitely help me or not, so as an affiliate marketer, your job is to remove people's objection. And once you remove all the objection of your people, then they will definitely purchase the product that you are recommending, and you will get a commission. So now I will show you my actual email automation sequence and show you that what you need to do inside your email automation to increase your conversion rate. So this is the software that I'm using to create my funnel as well as my email automation. And this software is 100% free until you have a 2000 people inside your email list. So if you are a beginner affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to start with this software, because in a free plan, you will get access of all the tools inside this software. So if you want to learn more about this software, then check the link in the description below. And you can see here, I am getting people's email address every single day by the method which I already show you in my video. You can see I'm getting people's email address every single day. So now I will show you my email automation sequence. So once I go to email and click on campaign, then here you can see I have a campaign called Legendary Marketer Case Study. And if your account is new, then you will not have any of this campaign, right? But I have a campaign called Legendary Marketer Case Study. And inside this campaign, I have a 23 pre-written emails. So if someone enter their name and email address, then they will get 23 pre-written emails, each email per day. So if I open this, then here you can see I have a lots of pre-written emails inside my email automation sequence. And as I told you before, the main reason of my email automation is to remove people's objection, give them additional trainings, and show them other people's social proof. So right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer, but lots of my audience have a confusion that Legendary Marketer is legit or not. And Legendary Marketer will definitely help me to make money online as an affiliate marketer or not. So my job is to remove all the objection of people. And if I can able to remove all of their objection, then they don't have any choice instead of purchasing Legendary Marketer through my link. And then I will get a commission. So you can see here in my first email, I give people access of my free affiliate marketing case study that I promised them in all of my TikTok videos. So if someone open this email, then inside the email, I have one link that says click here to get access of the case study, and if someone click this link, then they directly go to the case study page. So here they can watch my free affiliate marketing case study, and that is a 40-minute long case study. And inside this case study, I show them everything that I'm doing inside my affiliate marketing business and earning commission. I show them which product I'm promoting. I show them which traffic sources I'm using to promote that product. I will also show them my entire funnel as well as my email automation sequence that I'm using to promote the product. So if you are a beginner affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to get access of my free affiliate marketing case study. If you want to get instant access, then check the link in the description below. So as I told you, in this email, I give people access of my free affiliate marketing case study. And you can see here, this is the second email, and inside this email, I introduce myself. So if someone open this email, in this email, I told people that how we came from India to New Zealand as a migrant, and right now we are earning very good money by doing affiliate marketing. So if you also want to do affiliate marketing and make money online, then click here. And once they click here, they directly go to the sales page of Legendary Marketer, and once they purchase, I will get a commission. So I write this email to build a strong relationship with my audience, because if my audience know my story, then they will trust me, and once they trust me, then they will purchase the product that I am recommending to them. So that's why I created this email. And I have a lots of email. So here you can see in this email I write proof, is Legendary Marketer legit? So if someone open this email, then inside this email I talk about the creator of Legendary Marketer, Dev Sharp. So he is a 8-figure entrepreneur and he featured in Entrepreneur magazine. So Entrepreneur is a very popular magazine. So if Dev Sharp got a chance to feature inside this magazine, then definitely Legendary Marketer is not a scam and Legendary Marketer is a legit product to promote. So by writing this email, I remove people's objection that Legendary Marketer is not a scam and Legendary Marketer is a legit product. And if you want to start with Legendary Marketer, then click here. And once they click here, they directly go to the sales page of Legendary Marketer, and once they purchase, I will get a commission. And I am also showing other people proof inside my email sequence. So you can see here, in this email I write proof affiliate marketing works. So if someone open this email, then inside this email I talk about the best strategy for beginners. And once someone click here in this button, then they go to this page. So in this page I have a lots of reviews of other people who got the training from Legendary Marketer, and right now they are earning their first commission. You can see here, this guy says I made my first ever commission. So there are lots of reviews of other people. You can see here, this girl says the only direction is up, celebrating my first commission with LM, means Legendary Marketer. So you can see people got a training from Legendary Marketer, and right now they are earning very good money by doing affiliate marketing. You can see here, this guy earned $1,050 in just one day by promoting Legendary Marketer. Because I told you before that Legendary Marketer also have a great affiliate program that will allow you to earn high ticket commissions without selling any high ticket product by yourself. So this guy is promoting Legendary Marketer and he earned $1,050 in just one day. So I'm telling my audience that Legendary Marketer is a great place to start even if you are a beginner. And if you want to learn high ticket affiliate marketing, then click here. And once they click here, they directly go to the sales page of Legendary Marketer, and once they purchase, I will get a commission. So this is the exact 4 steps that you need to follow to make money with affiliate marketing on TikTok. And right now I'm doing the same thing that I teach you inside this video. And congratulations to watch the video till the end. So at the beginning of this video, I told you that I have a really cool bonus for you if you watch the video till the end. So as a bonus, I want to give you my free affiliate marketing case study. So inside the case study, I will show you everything that I'm doing inside my affiliate marketing business and earning commissions. So check the link in the description below to get access of the free affiliate marketing case study. And now, if you have any question related to this video, then please comment below this video and I will definitely give you reply back. See you in the next video.